Hey guys, this is Skyler Wilson down at Harbin Automotive. Today I'm sitting in this 2019 Ford F-150 Lariat, and I'm going to share a really cool feature that this truck has with you guys. So this truck has voice commands, and it will allow you to use that for navigation. So we're going to test that out right quick. First thing you do on the steering wheel right here, there's a little button. Has a face that looks like he's talking. You just press that and go from there.
Please say a command.
Find a place.
Searching nearby. Please say the name of the POI.
Unclaimed baggage center.
When ready, press the voice button and then say, set as destination.
Set as destination.
Setting new destination. Please proceed to the highlighted route and then the route guidance will start.
And it's that simple, you guys. You can use that whenever you're driving down the road. You know, it's completely safe, hands-free. So you guys come down here and check out this F-150 Lariat that's actually $13,000 off of MSRP right now. Ask for me and we'll see you soon.